Ready? Exercise number 12. Very important legal matter. Start. Heard, learned counsel for the parties and peruse the record. Stop. Next para. This writ petition is directed against the order dated 12/8/1993 by which the petitioner has been superseded and the junior to him have been granted promotion allegedly without any valid reason, illegally ignoring the petitioner. The petitioner has prayed for a writ of certiorari for quashing the order dated 12/8/1993, which is appended as Annexure 1 to this writ petition. It appears that the integrity of the petitioner for the year 1984 to 85 has been withheld by the impugned order in 1993. Stop. Next para. The facts of the case are that the petitioner was appointed as assistant in Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad Allahabad in 1973. He was promoted as senior assistant and was performing his duties as senior assistant in coordination section in the year 1984. The work and nature of the duties of the petitioner in coordination section has nothing to do with the preparation, tabulation or issuance of mark sheets to the examinees, but it is to be done by the employees of confidential section under bracket 3 and 4 who execute the work of preparation and declaration of result. Thereafter, the work of scrutiny and issuance of revised mark sheet is also done by the confidential section under bracket 3 and under bracket 4 in the board. It appears that a forged mark sheet was issued to an examinee of intermediate bearing roll number 253909 who was a regular student of Janta Inter College, Kushwapur, District Pratapgarh. Stop. Next para. In paragraph 5 of the writ petition, it has been averred that main task of the petitioner in coordination section was with the press for printing of the stationery as well as arranging the gunny bags for the purpose of keeping or storing the copies and records, etc. Stop. Next para. It is stated in the writ petition that the work in respect of the scrutiny of intermediate colleges of District Pratapgarh who was being done by another person working in confidential section, but the respondents without any rhyme or reason and without conducting any inquiry or affording any opportunity to the petitioner by the impugned order dated 12/8/1993 communicated him of adverse entry regarding withholding of his integrity for the year 1984 to 85. Aggrieved by the aforesaid order dated 12/8/1993, non-verification of his integrity for the year 1984 to 85, the petitioner moved a representation on 4/10/1993 on the ground inter alia that the said punishment has been awarded without affording any opportunity in an arbitrary and illegal manner, and requested for justice to be done in the matter. Subsequently, after acquittal of the petitioner, the department is continuing to inflict punishment upon him, as after that he was not given selection grade and now he has retired from service without payment of retiral benefits, only provisional pension being paid to him. It appears that some inquiry was conducted by Vigilance Department and the petitioner requested for its report, but without even providing copy of the report or any evidence against the petitioner and without holding any departmental inquiry into the matter, the said adverse entry was communicated to the petitioner. It also appears from record that an FIR was lodged against the petitioner in case crime number 106 of 1990 under section 420/466/471/120B IPC and 13 under bracket 2 of Anti-Corruption Act in PS Civil Lines Allahabad. Consequently, the charge sheet was issued to the petitioner and he was acquitted from the charges by the Special Judge Anti-Corruption Act/Additional Session Judge Varanasi in special case number 3 of 2000 YD judgment and order dated 31/1/2005 under bracket amended as annexure SA 1 to the supplementary affidavit, holding that the criminal case was a result of departmental rivalry, that the said forged mark sheet was issued in the handwriting of some other person and neither in the handwriting of the petitioner, nor was issued by him, and that the prosecution failed to prove any of the offences/charges against him. The impugned order dated 12/8/1993 has been challenged by the petitioner on the ground that it amounts to punishment without affording any opportunity of hearing and is against the principles of natural justice. Hence, it is illegal, arbitrary, and liable to be quashed. Learned Standing Counsel has submitted that the petitioner was working in high school examination section during the period 24th January 1984 to July 1984 and thereafter in confidential section from September 1991 and not in coordination department as cleared by him, though prior to 24/1/1984 he was in that department. It is stated that a CBCID inquiry was conducted by the Vigilance Department of Uttar Pradesh in the matter of issuance of forged mark sheet to candidate of roll number 253909 as stated above, and that result of District Pratapgarh was prepared by one Durga Prasad Tripathi with the help of other employees. It is urged by the Standing Counsel that the adverse entry has been awarded to the petitioner and his integrity for the year 1984 to 85 has been withheld on the order of the Vigilance Officer Lucknow, issued by the letter number 836 dated 12/8/1993, and as such withholding of his integrity is not arbitrary as alleged. That representation of the petitioner dated 4/10/1993 and 5/10/1993 were received in the office, but the report of vigilance cannot be given being confidential in nature. Full stop. Thank you very much. Guys, there is one humble request. This is very important matter for legal, for High Court and Supreme Court. So please try to repeat the matter, then only your fluency and accuracy will improve. And also there is one more request. If you require the same matter, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.